What if I told you that while everyone is obsessing over digital products, I quietly build an AI app that's generating without writing a single line of code? As you can see, this app in the App Store is making a lot of money every single month. Look, I know what you're thinking, another make money online video, right? But here's the thing, I'm not talking about selling courses or templates, I'm talking about building actual software that people pay for, and I did it in less than a week using just one AI tool. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process that I used to launch this successful app that's already making 6 figures, connected to Stripe for payments, and how to deploy it. But here's the crazy part, the AI literally built the entire thing for me. I didn't write a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which app to copy, how to use AI to build it faster than any human developer, and how to set it up for a payment system that turns downloads into dollars. Plus, I'll reveal the one AI coding tool that's completely changing the game right now. So, if you're tired of the digital product hamster wheel and you're ready to build something that actually scales, let's dive in. The AI tool that we are going to use is Replit. With my code Cindy, you will get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link to the description down below. App, I'm demonstrating the technical process and the potential, not guaranteeing your results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but the success depends on your execution, timing, and honestly some luck. Most apps don't make money immediately, and many don't even make money at all. I'm not promised that you will get rich or quit your job. This isn't financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools, but what you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's continue to build in the app. Some apps are meant to entertain, others solve a problem, and this one, it's all about feeling better one quote at a time. We're going to build something lightweight but meaningful, designed to give users a bit of inspiration every day without asking much in return. To get started, we'll ask Replit to build a modern app that delivers daily motivational quotes. It should feel sleek and easy to navigate. When someone opens, they should land on a home screen that displays just one quote at a time that keeps the experience focused. There'll also be options to browse more quotes, filter them by category, save favorites, and tweak the design. The layer needs to support quote categories, appearance customization, and saving user favorites. Later on, it should also be ready to include things like motivational book recommendations. After we enter the prompt, we'll click Start Chat. Now, Replit shows a preview of the app and it's labeled Inspire Daily. This early version will guide how the rest of the build looks. Everything seems on track so far visually, so we'll go ahead and click Approve Plan and Start. To enhance the design, we'll now update the visuals a bit. I'm going to enter this into Replit. The background images should be real images from Google so that it will be beautiful scenery. Then the font should be 25 pixels and white font color. Now that the changes are in, the app turns out really well. It looks super clean, easy to navigate, and it's showing one quote at a time that keeps things focused without overwhelming the user. The transitions are smooth, and the option to browse by category or to save favorite quotes adds a nice layer of control. Plus, being able to customize the design gives a more personal, intentional feel. Let's add more structure to the app so that the experience feels more focused and not random. Right now, quotes appear one at a time, but when if someone wants motivation for work or something uplifting during a tough moment of their day, grouping content is going to make a huge difference. So here we'll tell Replit to create 7 categories for the motivational quotes. Create 7 motivational quote categories: work motivation, love and relationship, fitness and workout, depression support, self-esteem and confidence, business and success, and mindfulness. After those categories are added, the app looks much more intentional. Browsing by topic makes it easier to find the right kind of inspiration, whether someone is getting ready for the gym or going through something really heavy emotionally. And the search box now appears at the top too. So if users are looking for a specific keyword or theme, they can just jump right into it. But managing quotes is where the app starts to feel really useful, not just inspiring. It's one thing to see a great quote, but being able to save it, revisit it, and organize it, that's what turns a simple app into a daily habit. At this moment, users can already save quotes that they love. When someone taps the Save button, that quote goes straight into the Your Favorite Quotes section for the easy access later. It's a clean and very helpful feature, but there is more we can add to make the browsing feel richer, especially inside the category section. So now we'll head back into Replit and expand the quote system. Here's what we're gonna say. Add a system to browse a large collection of hundreds of motivational quotes in different categories and allow filtering quotes inside each category. This will let users explore a much larger variety of quotes, all neatly sorted and filterable within each category. Once that's in place, the category section will definitely become way more powerful. Each category now is filled with hundreds of relevant quotes, and the new filtering system now makes it simple to narrow down exactly what someone's looking for, whether it's something high energy, calming, or deeply personal. At this stage, search is available to everyone by default, which is great for accessibility, but it might be time to think about how we can give premium users something extra. To test that out, we'll send another instruction into Replit. All quote search functions should be for premium-only users. After applying that, the search feature now requires a premium account. Users will need to sign in or sign up, and once they upgrade, search becomes available to them. And it's a smart way to offer value without blocking core features, and it gives premium users a clear reason to subscribe. Alright, now let's focus on customization, because while saving quotes is useful, giving users control over how those quotes look takes experience to the next level. A favorite quote means more when it's styled in a way that feels personal. First, we want to make sure saving works seamlessly across the app. So we'll head into Replit and tell it to extend the Save button to all categories. We'll use this instruction. In the categories section, users should be able to save quotes in all categories to add them to the favorite section. This way, no matter where a user finds a quote, whether they are exploring mindfulness or browsing business and success, they can instantly save it with a tap. So the favorite section already shows saved quotes, but right now it's pretty basic. There's no visual flair or customization, so we'll ask Replit to upgrade this section with more tools. Here's what we'll send in. In the favorites section, add a customization panel where users can change the font style and colors for quotes, multiple themes to choose from, customize the layout for quote sharing, export as image. Now, let's see how this works. I'll pick the ocean blue theme, change the font to Play Fair Display, and set the layout to landscape. If I click Export as Image, the app instantly generates a clean, shareable quote graphic based on those settings. The background switches to the ocean blue theme, the font updates, and the layout shifts to perfectly match the landscape format. It's clean, professional looking, and ready to post or save. Everything works smoothly, even when switching between different fonts, themes, and layouts. But to push customization even further, we'll make more requests. This time, we'll type custom background photos for premium users, where premium users can upload and use their own custom background photos. That will give premium users even more control over their visuals, letting them upload personal background images for their favorite quotes. It's like a meaningful upgrade for anyone who wants their quote designs to reflect their own mood, brand, and aesthetic. Premium now includes a feature that really adds a personal layer. Users who upgrade can upload their own background photos. I know it's a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Whether someone wants to add a scenic vacation shot, a minimalist backdrop, or something that matches their aesthetic, it gives each quote a more custom feel. Up to this point, the app has been focused entirely on quotes, which works well for bite-sized motivation. But sometimes users want to go a little deeper, like quick inspiration is great, but there's also value in long-form content that supports personal growth on a bigger scale. To offer that, we'll return to Rapplet and ask for something new in the Browse Quotes section. Here's what we'll type. In the Browse Quotes section, add motivational book recommendations that display a curated list of motivational or self-help books. Each entry should include title, author, short description, and a link. After that, a new area appears under Browse Quotes, dedicated to book recommendations. Each suggestion comes with the title, the author's name, and a short description, and a clickable link. It's a thoughtful addition that gives users more than just a daily quote. It opens the door to deeper learning and lasting inspiration right from the same app. Some people just want the basic, and that's totally fine, but there are always those ones who want a little more features, more control, more ways to make the app their own. That's why we're setting up Premium. To handle payments, we'll tell Rapplet to integrate Stripe. We'll instruct Rapplet like this. Integrate Stripe to handle premium subscriptions. Free users get limited daily quotes, basic themes, and no storage. Premium users will unlock unlimited quotes, custom backgrounds, search functionality, and bonus content. Add a pricing page and Stripe checkout integration. To hook up the subscription, I need to set up the actual product in Stripe. I'll click the link, hit the Create Product, give it a name, and set the monthly price. Once that's saved, I'll click into the product, open three-dot menu, and grab the price ID. And that ID goes straight into Rapplet, so everything connects properly. Next, we'll head over to the Developers tab in the Stripe dashboard and open API keys. From there, we'll copy both the secret key and public key and paste them into Rapplet. Once the credentials are in, we'll click Submit to finalize the setup. After that step, the authentication process updates with a new email field in the sign up form. So we'll try it out. Sign up for a new account using an email, then go to the Premium section and click Upgrade to Premium. And this opens the Stripe checkout screen where we can enter the payment details and click Subscribe to Premium. Once payment is successful, all the premium features will unlock instantly. Search functionality will be available, custom background uploads will be enabled, and bonus content appears. And a premium badge shows up across the interface, including on the pricing page, confirming that the account is now upgraded and active. So yeah, while everyone else is still debating which digital product to sell next, you just saw me clone a real revenue-generating app connected to Stripe and fully deploy it without touching a single line of code. And that's the shift right now. You're not stuck selling PDFs or chasing the next trend. Everything you just watched was built using Rapplet. The AI handled the code, the logic, the design, everything. So if you're serious about scaling beyond digital products and finally want to build something that makes money while you sleep, now's the time to try it. The link is down below, and again, don't forget to use my code Cindy for 10% off. Subscribe if you found this helpful because we're just getting started. See you in the next one!